Hi guys, now if your thread is always snapping like this, now there are three possible causes that can make your thread to break. Now one is the needle. Now if the needle you are using is bent, it can rub on the bobbin plate and then cause your thread to break. And that's one. And two, if the take up lever, if the eye of the take up lever is harshly surfaced, it can also cause the thread to break. Okay, so check if the eye of the take up lever is smooth. Otherwise, take a file and smoothen it. Then number three possible cause is the tension disc. Now if the tension disc is too tight, it can cause your thread to snap as a stitch. Now that being said, as soon as your thread breaks, first thing you have to check is that you have to check the position or the location rather of the broken thread. As you can see from mine, it is very close to the tension disc, as you can see. Okay, now if the thread breaks and you see it, the free end is very close to the tension disc like this, that means the cause is probably coming from the tension disc or the take-up lever. Now it could be from the tension disc. If it is too tight, then the take-up lever tends to pull very hard on the thread and can make it snap. And also, even if the tension is not too tight, if the eye of the take-up lever is harshly surfaced, it can also cause the thread to snap. Now, if the thread is here, as I said before, that means it is probably coming from the tension disc or the take-up lever. Now, if the thread is suspended around here, like this, now it is still passing through the eye of the take-up lever and through this guide, or even if it doesn't go through this guide, it is hanging free like this, then you can also know that the problem is coming from the eye of the needle, or because the needle is bent. It can come from the eye of the needle. Sometimes you just start to experience the thread starting to break as soon as you change your needle for different projects. So it could be that the eye of the needle is harshly surfaced. So mind you, once you notice that the breakage of the thread is coming from the needle, just change the needle. It's as simple as that. Change the needle. And also, if the tension is also too tight, it can also cause the eye of the needle to make the thread to snap. Not the tension disc itself that is snapping the thread. But because the tension is very tight and the take-up lever is pulling tight on the thread, okay, now the eye of the needle can act almost like a cutting tool for the thread. As you can see how sharp the eye is, it's very narrow. So when the tension is very tight and the take up lever pulls tight on the thread, this can cause the thread to snap because the hole is very narrow. Okay? So if you notice that the fault is coming from the needle, just change the needle. Maybe the eye of the needle is actually surfaced, or the needle is bent, because if it is bent, it can rub on the bobbin plate. Okay, it can rub on the bobbin plate and cause the thread to break. Okay, now that being said, here's a quick summary. Now, if your thread always breaks, first of all, make sure that the tension is not too tight. You can also tell if the tension is too tight if you see small loops on the top of the fabric. Okay, and also, okay, that's aside, and also make sure that the eye of the take-up lever is not actually surfaced. Otherwise, use a file to smoothen it. And make sure the needle is original. It is not bent, and also the eye is not actually surfaced. Otherwise, change needle. And when you follow these steps, your thread will stop to break. Now for this, I'm going to reduce the tension a little bit, because for this very machine, I believe it is coming from the tension being too tight, because we found out that the thread was here. Okay, which means it is not coming from the needle, but from the tension disc or the take-up lever. So we've reduced the tension a little bit. Now let's make a stitch and see if it continues to break. If it doesn't break, that means it was caused by the tension disc. Okay, now let's do this. Let's retread the machine again after reducing the tension a little bit. Now after retreading the same machine, now let's make a stitch. As you can see how even these stitches are, right? And at the same time, the thread doesn't snap anymore. Okay? So this machine was causing the thread to always snap because the tension disc was too tight. Alright? Now with this being explained, said and taught, I'm gonna need you guys to like, share and subscribe for more clips like this. You alright? Alright, peace out.